Inside this parenthesis, 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. Then here, 4 times 2, which equals to 8. Then 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 is just 1, okay? But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one division here and one multiplication here. There is a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, there is a division. Okay. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay. If we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or this division, it is wrong. Therefore, we have to do parenthesis first. Inside the parenthesis, 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Then 8 divided by 4 times 2. In this expression, there is one division and one multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Okay. Therefore, we have to divide this number first. 8 divided by 4, which equals 2. Then 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is just 4. Okay. Therefore, this is the final answer of this problem. The final answer of this problem equals to 4.